Hello my beauties. So in the last video you saw me color my hair silver, and at the beginning of the video I said that I wanted to cut my own hair, and well, I cut my own hair and I filmed it and I was going to edit it into the silver hair video, but would have made it way too long, so I'm making it its own separate video. And yeah, you'll just have to wait and see what happens, so I'll let you go watch that. About to cut my own hair. I've never cut my own hair, so I'm shook. And I haven't seen my hair straight in like years, so. But look how bad that looks. Doesn't it look bad?
Yeah, it just sits on top.
Ugh. That is not a look. Nope, sorry. And no one knows how to cut my hair, so I'm cutting it myself.
I have that same issue.
You got this.
I'm shook though. That's a lot.
It's alright.
No, it's like a big chunk, but I can't part it because I won't be able to know like where to cut it.
I wish I knew how to cut hair.
I'm shook. I'm gonna have no hair left. I'm scared.
Just go for it.
I don't know
That's
how.
fine.
I don't know how to cut it myself. Like, this is so weird. How do people do this?
Yeah.
I'm gonna look like a fucking potato, even more than I do now.
You probably look mad cute, honestly.
I can't. No. I really can't do it.
Yeah, you can.
No. I'm scared. I'm scared.
It was like 4 minutes of you being a pussy.
I know.
It's almost 5.
What are you scared of?
Stop laughing at me.
Sorry, it's
It's not funny.
It is.
It's not. I'm shook.
She did it. It's not straight though.
Not at all. Yeah, my hair. Whoa, that's definitely not right. That's not looking too cute at all. Now the question is, how the fuck am I supposed to do it on the other side though and match it?
Wow, your hair's so short now.
Yeah!
Oh! Andrew's face.
Why did I do that? Wow! Who does that? Who does that?
Ah, she cracks me up.
Yeah, I should love to the right one.
Shut up, Andrew.
I mean,
I'm bald. What? When it's curly, it's gonna be like to here.
it doesn't look that bad.
Right? No, it's just short.
No, yeah, it doesn't look that bad. Yeah, all it's just short. It's not like someone.
I might as well just go in now.
Literally, you already started now. You just.
Where did my chunk? Dang, I'll miss you.
Have you
It doesn't
kept
look
that?
bad at all. Wow, it looks way better.
It feels. Go like this. Feel my hair like on this side, and then try to do that on the other side.
Why?
First of
Mad
all, your hair
soft.
is mad soft. Yes.
Feel it on this side now. The ends.
Ooh, yeah, that
Real
needs to be chopped
crusty.
off. Yeah, it's gotta
Oh,
go
wow.
anyways. It's good.
It's a look. All right, now how the fuck am I supposed to do it on the other side to look the same? I look like a peacock. Who the fuck let me do this? Honestly. Should I go bald? Simply Nessa or no?
I'll do it.
That looks right.
Right there, yeah.
I'm scared. Let's go in.
There it goes.
Wow.
Looks really good.
This is all my hair. I just colored too. What a waste.
Oh my god.
You cut off just as much
I have
as
like
did
a
today.
bob. Oh, it looks horrible.
I don't know if it's even.
Wow, definitely not. You're gonna have to like check it in the back
Yeah.
when I'm done to see like. That looks horrible. Horrid. Horrible. Wow.
Oh, here, hold this, okay?
Wait, hold on.
Oh,
Hold on. Don't look at it. I'm scared.
It looks fine. Oh no.
It's gotta be cut off.
Savannah.
Yeah, it's so uneven. Wow.
Jaden's face.
idiot. Yeah, see, this is why I don't advise people to cut their hair at home.
She's like,
Yo, I look like Dora. Oh, it's this piece, right?
I don't mess it up anymore, please.
It's gotta be.
Yeah, it's gotta be, but who knows?
Yeah, so clearly it looks like I really messed myself up there, but I managed to fix it for the most part. I mean, it looks decent, right? I mean, I'm rocking the short hair now. I think it looks cute. I don't know, the back is still a little uneven, I think, but it's not like crazy. Can you see it? I don't know. I think it's a little uneven around here, but it works, you know? So, yeah, thanks for watching me do some crazy stuff to my hair. I don't advise it. If you live in my area, hit me up. I can do your hair for you. Follow all my socials. They're linked down below if you want to see some of my work, some cute selfies, you know, anything like that. You can go follow my socials and subscribe if you have not already. Turn my post notifications on to get notified every time I post a new video, and I hope to see you in my next one.